broken. The line is broken and the water is going everywhere. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Noise came out, and when it did, I ran in here and water was everywhere. Yeah. In less than 5 minutes, all this is in here. Yeah. I'm tired of this place. Are you gonna vacuum this water?
Yeah. I'm trying to get most of it out.
I'm so tired of this place. I don't know if the water went downstairs. It probably did. I was trying to knock on the door. They wouldn't. This is the part that's broken. And this is the part they said they can't fix because it's not the right part. This is where it broke off from. It just started gushing. And I tried to turn it off. This thing right here that connected. It connected to this. This right here. I've been here 7 years. And this is what came loose. And it was gushing water everywhere. In my bedroom, in my bathroom. It's all the way over by my bed. It's in the living room. It goes up to this point in the living room. This floor is wet.
So you have to do the panel.
But I don't understand why she can't cut it off. It's going to have to be replaced. So that means I'm going to have to stay in here with mold. It's already mold. My grandson helped me to move today. He said, Mama, he says, is mold in here? You know, from the last time, they never came and checked it to make sure it was completely dry. And I went to the doctor, and I got, I'm going to show you what's. Oh my goodness, here we go again. This is water. I'm moving. This is, well, anyway, I guess the recorder will say what time and date it is. This is water, look like it is water in my bathroom. This is where it broke the other day that leads from the toilet. It broke. And let me see if I can. And I don't know where this water is coming from. I haven't used this bathroom. I hadn't used the toilet since last Sunday when it was gushing water out. Here is the tub. If I hadn't come back to get a shower curtain that I had left, oh God, I can't breathe, that I had left in this bathroom that I've been told not to use, I wouldn't have seen this water. I don't know where it's coming from. It's not under the sink. Oh. Anyway, I am moving out of Stafford Oaks apartment 519 today. This is the tub they told me not to use anymore. You can even see the ring where I used it last probably. And so I'm getting ready to call Stafford Oaks apartment. I'm getting ready to call them, the emergency number, because when I leave out, there's a possibility that this can continue to build up when I leave out, because I'm leaving. I'm getting ready to vacate. All my things are out practically. Everything. Okay. This is my closet. This is how you can really see the damage. And the probably mold. Oh, it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lord. It stinks in here. From where this carpet was wet, you can see that ring where it was wet from the water that came into this closet that adjoins the bathroom. You can see it. And where the ring was, where the water was. And this is the carpet. I'm gonna pull it back as far as they pulled it back. Move some stuff out of the way. Oh Lord. Anyway, this is as far back as it went. You can see from the bathroom to there. And this is the wood that has been wet around the ceiling of the door. Now, since I contacted them and let them know in a letter that the doctor said I'd been exposed to mold, no one has come to check and see. But instead, in the letter, it was mentioned by the supervisor that I had never mentioned anything about mold. But in my opinion, that's what I was doing. I was mentioning it, the mold, in the letter. But no one has contacted me. No one has come in and assessed the situation since then. Delia, the manager, said that she would not make any repairs, and she was true to her word. She did not make any repairs on this apartment. Did not. And I have to leave because I've had mold spores in my nose, and I've been having nosebleeds, and I got to go. This is the closet. This is how much they pulled up. But the water came from this angle. So all along this wall was most of the water, but this is all of the lining that they pulled up is right here. From the door, bedroom door, to there. You can see it better this way. That's it. Okay. I'm going to call Stafford Oaks apartment and see how long it'll take them to get here while I'm getting the last of my things out.
I need to talk to you, but maybe
So they had to cut the whole water, so you've tied it off now.
Yeah, I paid on Monday.
Okay.
Let me talk
They
to you.
still don't have the right part though.
No, I don't have the right part right now.
Golly.
Okay?
I'm so glad I called you.
You understand me. Thank you.
I'm so glad.
Thank you, Mama. No problem.
I really appreciate it.
It's my job, okay?
I appreciate it.
It's my job. Don't worry about it. Let me talk to you.
Okay. I don't want her to blame me for it. That's all.
I need to talk to you a little bit. It's not too much.
Okay. Who am I talking to?
Be here.
This is Lee, the manager.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Something what your